Hi guys, and welcome to Russian Moms. Antonina is here, and today I will talk about baby food. So at first, from the very beginning, you breastfeed your baby or you give him mixture. A ready-made mixture which you have to add water to, and that's it. So, but then later on, when your baby gets older, usually it is advised to be 6 months, you start giving him some baby food, additional food, supplementary food. So, as for me, I started giving vegetables to Lev when he was 6. Well, actually, to tell the truth, 1 week before he turned 6 months old. So I started with broccoli, mashed broccoli. So today I'm going to talk about mashed vegetables as baby food. I started with broccoli. After that I tried cauliflower, potatoes, carrots, zucchini, and also pumpkin. So I realized that my baby doesn't like zucchini and pumpkin very much. That's why I've decided to combine them with potatoes, because he likes potatoes a lot. By the way, as for carrots, he doesn't like them alone as well. So I add carrots to potatoes. This is the mixture. I add cauliflower to broccoli. So I usually mash broccoli together with cauliflower, potatoes together with carrots, or potatoes together with zucchini, or potatoes together with pumpkin. So these are the mixtures I use. Now my baby is 10 months old. And by the way, lately I started using beetroot as well, adding it to potatoes and carrots. So, what else? Well, how do I do it? It's very simple. Usually I steam broccoli and cauliflower, then mash them using my blender. And by the way, using this cup, a vent cup, it is for warmer, bottle warmer, from a bottle warmer. And that's it. Or I boil carrots together with potatoes, pumpkin together with potatoes, or zucchini together with potatoes, and also mash them, and then put them into such bottles, these bottles. This is, by the way, potatoes with carrots. And here I have zucchini with potatoes. So I put them into bottles. Usually I have 6 bottles like this, and each day my baby eats 2 of them, sometimes less. And so I prepare food for my baby for 3 days usually. So the first day I give it to him ready just when it has been cooked, and then 2 more days. I give veggies to my baby for lunch. And at the age of about 8 months, I started giving him meat too. So, what else can I tell you? Well, that's basically it. My baby now has only 2 teeth. One is completely grown and the other one is just cutting. Well, it is surfaced already. It's on the surface, but it's not fully, completely grown yet. And now I'm starting to mash the veggies, not completely. So there are little pieces inside the mixture. I make it more and more rough each time. So that's it. That's it about mashed veggies for my baby. If you have any questions, feel free to write a comment. I will really appreciate your feedback. I hope that you found this video interesting and useful. So see you in our next episode. Lev is here playing. Leva, привет. Okay, so a couple words in Russian. Теперь парочку слов по-русски. Ну вот, собственно, овощи. Я их превращаю в пюре. Обычно я использую брокколи с цветной капустой, их готовлю на пару. Картошку с морковкой, вот, например, кабачок с морковкой, вот. Также делаю тыкву с морковкой. Затем блендером измельчаю, превращаю в пюре. Использую для этого вот эту вот чашу нагревателя бутылочек Avent Philips. Очень удобно. Вот эти баночки, кстати говоря, я их покупала. Это, ну, была готовая еда. В самом начале я использовала готовую еду, буквально там неделю-две. Потом начала готовить сама. И вот эти баночки я использую как тару. Вот. 2 баночки обычно Лев за день у меня съедает. И недавно, ну как недавно, пару месяцев назад мы стали также давать ему мясо. Мясо пока я еще сама не готовила. One more thing I wanted to mention is that these bottles are from ready-made baby food I bought it for about, had been buying it for about 2 weeks at the very beginning, and then I started cooking myself. Anyway, that's it. See you guys. Bye. Can't find the button. Here it is.